Are you like me and you did not know that this filter needs a clean? Find out how I take it apart, give it a deep thorough clean, removing all the grease and dust, and clean it to make it look brand new like this. Join me today. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where we clean the things that clean for you. So we are currently focusing on the filters around the home, and we are looking at this type of filter. So when I first moved into my apartment, I knew this was a filter, but I just never knew how I could get up there to clean it. And lately I've just been seeing things that look like cobwebs. So I thought, let me just get the Hoover and I'll probably just hoover it out and everything should come out. Yeah, the Hoover didn't work out. It turns out it's really glued on, like stuck, and I just had to unscrew the whole thing, and I realized it's actually grease and buildup and dust and cobwebs and everything. So I just decided to try and unscrew it, and I was really surprised that it actually worked. Okay. And it was really gooey and sticky, and like I said, it's just like the buildup of dust and the oils that, you know, it basically sucks up. So the filter is doing its job. So I took it apart, and you can see it's just like the discoloration and all the cobwebs and dust, you know. So I just think it just needs a deep clean to give it, you know, that white color that I think it should be. So I'm going to get my Dishmatic, and I'm going to start with the filter, the ring itself. As you can see, it's already changing color. It's literally dissolved all the dust and all the grease, and it's returning back to its original color. And I'm actually just using a Dishmatic stick and washing up liquid, so nothing too fancy. So I'm going to leave it there and focus on this. Again, using a Dishmatic with washing up liquid and water, and just literally giving it a thorough scrub. And it's not even like a lot of effort. You can literally see it's removing all the grease, and it's going back to its original color with as much minimum effort. So if I had known that this is the type of cleaning it needed, I would have done this a lot sooner. But I just thought it just needs a Hoover, and it'll just suck up all the cobwebs. But yeah, sometimes you just need to go a little bit closer and just notice that you know, it's not what you think, and it's not as hard as you think it is. So I genuinely thought it was going to be a huge, actually no, I thought it was going to be a 2-minute task, which I was going to get a Hoover out and just hoover everything, but no. But look at that, just dishwashing liquid and water, and this is what the final result. So I'm quite pleased with that. It did not take as much effort as I thought it would, and the discoloration is obviously gone. Give this video a thumbs up if you are impressed with how our filter is looking, and you can even see how clean it is. You can hear how clean it is. So I'm just going to use a microfiber cloth to just dry it up, and if anything greasy left, you know, the microfiber cloth will pick it up. So I'm going to take the same microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to wipe off all the excess washing up liquid that I had left to, you know, basically dissolve any leftover grease and dust that would have been collected up there. So this is just wiping it off, and again you can see the discoloration is gone. So we are now going to put everything back. I'm really pleased with that. So Hoover was not an option because there's just too much grease on that just needed a quick thorough clean. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content and you are very pleased with how this turned out like I did. So this is our before, this is where we started, look at that, and this is the after. So give this video a thumbs up. I'm really impressed with that. So now on to our next filter. You guessed it, this is the juicer filter. So after I've made my celery juice for the week, I'm just going to clear everything out. What do you normally do with the excess fiber from your celery juice? So I just normally store it up and use it for cooking throughout the week. But yeah, so this filter, you know what, it's actually, I have a love and hate relationship because I absolutely hate cleaning this filter. I really hate it so much, but I've realized if I do it straight after, it takes less time and I don't think about it and I don't get frustrated with it. So I just rinse it up, and then I know other people leave it to soak so that everything, you don't have to do all the extra work that I'm doing right now. But I feel like if I leave it to soak, I will never get the task done. So I'd rather just do it the hard way and, just make sure it's done, because I will stare at it. I hate it so much, I would leave it to, marinate for like a couple of days. So I'd rather just do it now. Again, I'm just using washing up liquid and the brush that comes along with the juicer. And I'm just going to scrub and just, make sure the filter is back to its original condition. But yeah, so also I've noticed that I've got some new subscribers. Welcome everybody. Welcome to this channel where you will find lots of cleaning motivation, but also tips on how to clean things around your home in a fast and effective way. I also show you what to do, how to do certain things, and I'm also on a cleaning journey as well. So some things that I learn, any hacks, I will also share with you. But yeah, so please stick around and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. But if you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and join the community where we share and where we learn from each other. But yeah, so welcome. I'm really excited. We're almost at 400 subscribers. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I'm hoping we can get to at least 400 subscribers by next month. So if you want to be part of the journey, please subscribe. But that's it from today, guys. I will see you on the next one, which will be cleaning extra filters again around the home, or it might be a how-to. So look forward to that. Until then, you have a lovely day. Bye.